standing, Steve? Look at you. Just standing. Me? I'm a big boy. Now you're going to try to crawl over me? Where are you going? Look at you. Cherry, I see you. Are you standing? Are you pinching Mommy's flesh? Look at you. Standing. Big boy.
Move your hand.
Where are you going? You can't go over. I guess you could. Look at you. Who's a big boy?